From the NFC North, the Detroit Lions, the Minnesota Vikings.
Let's make plays.
Kaplan and the cook might have something a little bit different for these Motor City Kitties today.
Hey, give it all you got, man. I love y'all boys, man. Hey, win on three. Win on three. 1, 2, 3.
First and goal from the 5-yard line.
Some kind of drive.
Straight eye behind Cousins on first and goal. Handoff Dalvin. Jump cut left. 3-2. Reaches to the end zone.
It looks like a clear touchdown, not getting a chance to see it on the big screen.
Zimmer challenging.
They have ruled it a touchdown.
The 11th play of a possession that's gone 56 yards. 3rd and 5. Stafford out of the shotgun.
Here they come, and down he goes.
And it backs the Lions up, so now they will try for a field goal with Matt Prater.
46-yarder is away and no good.
Let's go!
First down, Cousins play action from under center, throws to the middle of the field, caught Thielen. Oh! He shakes on a Lion at the 20, and somebody just got worked out of their cleats. 2nd and 5 from the Lions 9. Cook the single set, 2 tight ends to the right, play action, Kirk to the end zone, caught and touchdown! Irv Smith Jr. with his first touchdown this season.
9-yard laser thrown by quarterback Kirk Cousins.
Let's go, man.
Minute 15 to go in the first half. Vikings have all 3 timeouts. Out of the gun, he's going to give it to Dalvin Cook. 1st and 10. Cousins over the middle. Caught Rudolph at the 35. That's another first down. Kirk steps up in the pocket, dump, and it's caught. Cook, there he goes. 45-50. Points for a block and gets it at the 40. And Dalvin with a head of steam. Handoff, Dalvin, big room. Near side 30-25. It's a run of 12 for the best back in the game. From the Lions 22, it's a screen, and it's caught by Abdullah, the former Lion. 5 and...
Oh, it's a touchdown!
Touchdown, Amir!
How about that?
Nice try. Great job. That was big. That was big. We needed that.
Minnesota 1 of 3 on 3rd down. Empty backfield. Cousins back to pass. Fade right. Jefferson! Yes! At the Lions 45.
3rd and goal at the 1. Cook, fake.
Takes a handoff. Throws left. Caught Irv! Touchdown, Irv Smith Jr.
The 2nd touchdown reception of the day.
Yes! Yes! Yes!
Stafford, shotgun, 3 receivers, 2 to the right. He looks that way as he goes back to pass. Throws over the middle, and it's intercepted.
Intercepted and picked off on the play by the linebacker, Eric Wilson.
All he does is make big plays.
He's a good player, man. He's a really good player.
Right now, the Lions need to score a touchdown right here.
3rd and goal from the 5. Stafford stands tall, out of the shotgun, looks left. Now he fires to the center of the end zone. Intercepted, Eric Kendricks.
2nd consecutive series, he is picked off by a Viking linebacker.
Eric Kendricks was all over that.
Let's go! Let's go! Let's go!
1st and 10 from the 30. Handoff, Dalvin shakes a tackle at the 25. And the race is on! And is loose! Touchdown!
Give him 6. What a play! 70-yard run. There may be none better in the NFL than this guy right here.
The best in the business, baby! Dalvin Cook.
He has put together 2 games for the ages. Wow!